Hey everyone! Let's play a quick game. I'm going to show you a few words, and I want you to tell me if they should start with a or an. Ready? The words are university, hour, and MBA. What do you think? Pause the video and drop your answers in the comments below. I'm curious to see what you come up with. Alright. Did you write them down? Let's dive in and see who got it right. Welcome back to our English series. Today, we are tackling those tricky words that always seem to confuse us when it comes to a or an. Remember the golden rule. It's not about the letter a word starts with. It's about the sound. If a word starts with a vowel sound, you use an. If it starts with a consonant sound, you use a. Simple, right? Well, let's test that. Let's start with words that begin with the letter U. Take university. You might think U is a vowel, so it must be an university. But listen closely to how we say it. University. That first sound is a Y sound, which is a consonant. So, the correct way to say it is a university. For example, she is studying at a university in London. The same rule applies to words like European, useful, uniform, and utensil. They all start with that U sound. So, it's a European country, a useful idea, a school uniform, and a kitchen utensil. It sounds like U, so you use a. Another tricky one is the word one. Even though it starts with a vowel O, listen to the sound. One. It starts with a W sound, which is a consonant. So, we say a one-time event, not an one-time event. It's all about that first sound you make. Now, let's flip it around and look at words that start with a consonant letter but have a vowel sound. The classic example is the letter H. Think about the word honest. We don't pronounce the H, do we? It's silent. We say honest. The first sound is O, which is a vowel sound. So, we need to use an. The correct phrase is an honest person. The same logic applies to hour. The H is silent, and it starts with an OW sound, so it's an hour late. What about honor? You got it! The H is silent, so it's an honor to meet you. And for the word heir, as in someone who inherits a fortune, the H is also silent. It sounds like heir, so we say an heir to the throne. If you're finding these tips helpful and want more fun English lessons, take a moment right now and hit that subscribe button for our channel, Kids World. We've got so much more to share with you. Okay, ready for the final boss level? Let's talk about abbreviations and acronyms. This is where it gets really interesting. Take the letters MBA. It stands for Master of Business Administration. The first letter is M, a consonant. But how do we say the letter M? It starts with an E sound, which is a vowel sound. So, it's an MBA degree. What about an FBI agent? F is a consonant, but we pronounce it F. That starts with a vowel sound, so it's an FBI agent. It's the same for X-ray. We say X-ray, so it's an X-ray report. But wait, what about UFO? We just learned that U words can be tricky. Here, we say the letters UFO. That first sound is U, just like in university. And what did we learn about the U sound? It's a consonant sound. So, we say UFO sighting, not an UFO sighting. So, let's go back to our quiz from the beginning. The correct answers are a university, an hour, and an MBA. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. The key takeaway is always to trust your ears, not your eyes. Listen for that initial sound. Is it a vowel sound or a consonant sound? That's your answer right there. I hope this cleared up some confusion for you all. English can be tricky, but together, we can master it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment below with any other topics you want us to cover. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.